In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search emails in Gmail by date range. This feature is particularly useful when you're trying to find specific emails that you received or sent during a particular period. Maybe you're looking for an old project update or trying to find receipts or correspondences from a specific time frame. Whatever your need, I'm here to guide you through this process with ease. To get started, you'll first want to open your Gmail account and navigate to the main inbox page. Here, at the very top, you'll see a search bar. This is where all the magic happens. The search bar is where you can perform simple keyword searches, but it also allows for more refined and complex queries, such as filtering by date range. To specify a custom date range for your search, you'll need to use a couple of special operators in the search bar. Let's break this down step by step to make it as straightforward as possible. When you want to search for emails that came after a certain date, begin by typing after, followed by the date in the format of year, month, and day. The format should look something like this: after 2022-01-01. This tells Gmail to look for all emails that arrived after January 1st, 2022. But what if you want to narrow down the emails even further, perhaps by setting an end date? This is where the before sponsor operator comes into play. You would simply type before, followed by another date in the format of year, month, and day. For instance, before 2022-12-31. This means Gmail will filter out any emails received after December 31st, 2022. By combining these two operators, after and before, you can pinpoint the exact range you want to examine. For example, typing after 2022-01-01 before 2022-12-31 will show you all the emails that you received in the year 2022. Now, let's go through an example to see how this works in action. Suppose you're trying to find emails you received throughout the month of March 2023. You'd enter after 2020-02-28 before 2020-04-01 into the search bar. As soon as you hit enter, Gmail will display all the emails filtered within these two dates. And there you have it. Easy as can be. With these simple tools, you can sift through your emails efficiently, making it much easier to stay organized and quickly access the information you need. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your email management a bit simpler. Give it a try and happy searching. And happy